great tool for mincing herbs faster than a knife, and it won't bruise or crush them. To use, I slide the mincer onto my hand and remove the storage cover. Then roll. Look how quickly and easily just rolling over this basil minces. Before you know it, I've got a perfect pile ready for any recipe. Look how quickly it dices chives, perfect for garnish on a baked potato. When I'm done, push the button on top and disassemble the mincer like this. Put both pieces on the top rack of the dishwasher. Once clean, put the pieces back together, replace your storage cap, and toss in the nearest kitchen drawer. The Emulster salad dressing mixer is the easiest way to mix and store your own homemade salad dressings. You can use one of your favorite recipes or choose one that we've included on the bottle. There's balsamic vinaigrette, Greek salad dressing, and a honey mustard vinaigrette. When making something simple like the balsamic, pop the top off the emulster to fill with your ingredients. Once you've filled the emulster with your ingredients, replace the top and pull the trigger. The stirring stick blends automatically and easily. When the dressing is fully mixed, pull the top up, but not off, to pour easily and without any mess. For storage, push the top back down, toss the emulster in the fridge until next time.